Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be making the Melon Ball Shot. Now this drink is equal parts unflavored vodka, melon liqueur, and orange juice. If you want to use your favorite flavored vodka, feel free, or you can also use pineapple juice instead of orange juice. First step, fill your cocktail shaker with ice. Second step, pour approximately 1 ounce of vodka into the cocktail shaker. Next, pour in the melon liqueur. Next, pour in the orange juice. Now shake until well chilled. Now finally, pour into the shot glass. And enjoy.